Hi, welcome to this partner showcase. My name is Guy Bartram. I'm Director of Product Marketing for our cloud service providers at Broadcom. And today I'm joined by Marco from OEDIV in Germany. Thank you, Marco, for coming on today.
Thank you.
Let's have a little introduction about yourself and then a little bit about OEDIV, please.
Yeah, I'm Marco and working for OEDIV. It's a German company and German service provider. A company under the hood of Dr. Oetker, 100% subsidiary of Oetker. And I'm a lead architect at OEDIV and working for the software-defined data center in our company. And yeah.
Okay, so OEDIV's been around a little while. How long's the company been doing cloud services?
Celebrate this year our 30th anniversary.
Okay.
We are founded in 1995.
Right.
And as a SAP hosting company and offers more and more services in our German data centers, sovereign data centers.
Brilliant. So just about the data centers, can you tell me a little bit about how many data centers, roughly where they are, that type of thing?
We have 2 data centers, fully redundant, located in Bielefeld. And we offer all our services from these data centers. We have, as I said, sovereignty in our data centers. We have
strict standards to apply to.
Yeah.
Okay. So
earning a lot of certifications with our data centers.
Yeah. So sovereign cloud, particularly sovereign private cloud, is a key conversation for people at the moment in Europe.
Yeah.
How have you seen that evolve in terms of customer requirements?
It's getting more and more important for our customers that we serve their applications in our data centers and guarantee the data sovereignty and the governance sovereignty in our data centers, that we don't have any data flow up to the United States or something else. Yeah.
Okay. And you mentioned, we talked about private cloud. Can you tell us a little bit about the service offerings you have with cloud?
Yeah, we have data center services. We offer cloud computing, application hosting, and so on. A lot of our services we offer our customers on our VCF, private public cloud offering with multi-tenancy in place completely. And our main focus is on SAP services, because from our founding in 1995 we hosted SAP services, and a lot of these services are hosted on our VCF private cloud. Yeah.
Okay. So are you guys a SAP RISE partner?
We are a SAP RISE partner. Yeah. Get certified at the end of last year.
Right. Yeah. That's really, really important for customers nowadays to get the latest version of SAP.
Yeah.
And also having the expiring kind of older versions now making you got to go to a RISE partner, but want to keep that in a sovereign environment. Partners like yourselves offer distinct advantages there. So in terms of your service portfolio, then you have an infrastructure portfolio. You have a SAP portfolio. What about other services like managed services, migration? Do you guys provide that?
Yeah, we because we have implemented the full stack of VCF with the Cloud Director, and so we can handle migration opportunities from new customers or existing customers to migrate their workloads to our data centers with HCX or
so zero downtime.
Zero downtime. Yeah. They get fully guided by colleagues from me. We have an
migration team
who consult all the customers to move their workloads to our data centers. Yeah. That is our managed service portfolio
Okay, and does that extend then beyond just the migration into the kind of run and operate? You could provide managed services on top of the SDDC?
Yes, but not. We have no application services in our company. We are on the top of the operating system. This is our service quality we offer to our customer. Except some office offerings like the Office 365 offering from Microsoft. So that's a little kind of modern workplace we are offering to our customer. Yeah.
So it's mainly an infrastructure play.
Yeah.
We'll help you come onto our infrastructure. We then manage the infrastructure up to the OS.
Yeah.
And there's some modern workplace applications that you also manage for customers as well.
Yeah, exactly. Okay. Our customers are from the German Mittelstand, we called it. They have not the knowledge in infrastructure management. So that is the way where we help. Yeah. Can our customer help? And so
you allow them to focus on what's important to them, the business, the applications. You take care of all of the underlying infrastructure.
Correct.
Okay. Yeah. Can you talk a little bit about sustainability? I mean, it's a key initiative in most areas of the EU, but particularly in things like public sector.
It's a key factor for our data centers that we're getting more and more energy efficient and. For example, the heating or the heating which goes up from the data centers, we take it for heating our office building, and so
you're self-consuming your own output. That's nice.
Yeah, and
it's a good example of how to use excess heat.
Yeah.
Okay, brilliant. So. I think in terms of like the offering then, getting customers to cloud and managing their cloud, obviously that's where you guys excel at. The sovereign component is a real differentiator for yourselves and for partners like you now. You've seen a big drive in interest for sovereign cloud. Like you said, customers are more concerned now.
Yeah, it's getting more and more important for our customers. Especially for customers who have critical infrastructure or called critical infrastructure for the country, and so they have the main focus on sovereignty and so on. Yes.
Yeah.
It's getting more and more important for our customers. Yes.
Every day. Okay.
And it's a key factor for our customers that we have German data centers and so on.
Yeah, absolutely. And if we were to sum up the unique value proposition in a few sentences that OEDIV provides to customers, what would you say?
Sovereignty, high quality data centers, managing personal consulting to our customers one-to-one.
Yeah.
We are not like a hyperscaler, working like a hyperscaler. We have a direct connection, communication to our customers.
Yeah. So you know and understand your customers' needs, perhaps before they do.
Yeah.
All right, Marcel. Thank you very much for your time today. And
thank you.
If customers want to find out more about OEDIV, where would they go?
Visit our website. It's OEDIV.de.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yes.